Simulia PowerFlow simulates fluid flow at a microscopic level to provide accurate, detailed representations of the intricacies of turbulent wakes, delivering precise results for aerodynamic, acoustic and thermal analyses. This advanced approach goes beyond traditional CFD methods by leveraging lattice Boltzmann-based physics to minimize approximations by providing highly detailed representations of turbulent wakes for high-fidelity transient simulations. Simulia PowerFlow enforces consistency between projects and significantly reduces the most time-consuming aspects of CFD analysis with pre-configured, templated workflows of real-world applications. These representative workflows are developed in close collaboration with industry experts and validated by physical testing to provide reliable results, while reusable meshes and automated model setup help you regain the time and resources you need to focus on business-critical tasks. Automated domain discretization and advanced turbulence modeling eliminate the need for manual volume and boundary layer meshing, further streamlining the process while ensuring precision accuracy for complex scenarios including moving geometry, particle modeling or heat exchanger analyses. Beyond traditional aerodynamics, Simulia PowerFlow excels at simulating real-world phenomena such as rain ingress, soiling patterns and exhaust dispersion. It also handles multi-phase flows like water condensation, soot dispersion and spray dynamics, offering deeper insights into how designs perform across different environments. Capable of modelling true rotating geometry, PowerFlow enables precise simulation of fan noise, brake cooling and wheel aerodynamics, surpassing the accuracy of traditional rotating reference frame models for transient rotating components. Utilize PowerFlow's digital wind tunnel to optimize designs for aerodynamics and noise reduction, while power acoustics can be used to pinpoint the precise location and decibel level of noise sources using proprietary technology for further analysis. When combined with PowerTherm, PowerFlow also delivers high-fidelity thermal simulations, offering a comprehensive look at aerodynamics and thermal management. And with scalability purposefully designed for high-performance computing, PowerFlow delivers rapid simulation turnaround across hundreds of processor cores. Businesses worldwide trust PowerFlow to design quieter, safer and more efficient products, and as part of the TriMet Group, we support customers throughout their product development journey. Explore how Simulia PowerFlow can enhance your designs by the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration or simulation review to discover how we can help you reduce costs and maximize your efficiency.